Today we learn the Gauss-Seidel method. So we use this method to solve the system of equations. So question is like that: solve the following system of equations by Gauss-Seidel method. First equation is 6x plus y plus z equal to 105. This is equation number 1. Then second one is 4x plus 8y plus 3z equal to 155. Third equation is 5x plus 4y minus 10z equal to 65. That is third equation. From this equation we will get the value of x. Means from the equation we can get the value of x. From second one we can get the value of y. From third one we can get the value of z. So this is the very easy method. You have आप लोगों को यही मेथड यूज करना चाहिए. मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो, लेकिन दैट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. इट गेट्स डिफिकल्ट टू सॉल्व इन मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म. If you have more practice then you can do it, but this is the proper Gauss-Seidel method. So what is here? Here a question is given, three equations are given. There may be in exam 4 equations or 5 equations, though you have to use this method. Okay. So what is the first equation? 6x plus y plus z equal to 105. Give this equation as a equation number 1. We are using this equation number 1 for finding the value of x. Then second equation is 4x plus 8y plus 3z equal to 155. Give this as a equation number 2. We are using equation number 2 to find the value of y. 5x plus 4y plus minus 10z equal to 65. This is equation number 3. Find z. Okay. मीन्स क्या करना है आपको? इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है और इक्वेशन नंबर y से सेकंड से y की वैल्यू, थर्ड से z की वैल्यू. सो फॉर गेटिंग इक्वेशन वैल्यू ऑफ x फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन नंबर 1 हम लोगों को क्या करना है कि y और वी डोंट वांट y एंड z. So put y z equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 में रख देना है. So what is our answer? What is this equation? This is y equal to 0. This one z equal to 0. This implies that 6x equal to 105. This implies that x equal to 105 by 6. Okay. So from this we got the value of x equal to 17.5. This is the latest value of x. So we are going to use this latest value in equation number 2 for finding the value of y. So we are going to find out the value of y. So we don't want this z and x. So we are going to substitute. क्या देता है आपको equation number 2? So equation number 2 implies 8y. We are going to find out the value of y. 155 minus 4x minus 3z upon like this. Okay, so this implies that y equal to 155 minus 4x minus 3z upon 8. This goes to the denominator. Okay, we are going to find out the value of y. Now in this equation we don't want this z, so put z equal to 0. यहाँ पे क्या रखना है आपको? z equal to 0 and latest value of x जो आपने previous निकाली है वो डालना है. So put latest value of x, that is equal to 17.5 in this equation number 2. Okay, so or 2, we consider this one as a 2 star. Okay, so put in this equation, in equation 2 star. Okay, so what is our equation? Y equal to, so put in this equation we gave this equation as a 2 star. This is equation 2. So 2 से हमको y की वैल्यू मिलती है. So we took all the variables and all the constant on the right hand side. So equation is 155 minus 4x minus 3z by 8. give this one as a equation number 2 star. So y equal to 155 माइनस 4 इंटू लेटेस्ट वैल्यू अभी जो हमने कैलकुलेट की है वो यहाँ पे रखना है 17.5 माइनस 3 इंटू जेड इक्वल टू 0, सो जेड इक्वल टू 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 8. So this implies that if you use the calci, then you will get that one as a, this is 0, and if you do the calculation it becomes 85 by 8. Okay, this is our latest value of y. Okay, now this is the latest value of x, this is the latest value of y. Now we are finding the latest value of z. So which one gives the latest value of z? In the previous first step we wrote there. This third equation is used to find out the value of z. So what is the z? Minus z equal to 3 gives you z equal to 65 minus 5x माइनस 4y बाय माइनस 10. क्या किया हमने यहाँ पे माइनस 10 z इक्वल टू 65 वी शिफ्टेड ऑल, ये सभी को शिफ्ट करना है इक्वलिटी के उधर. सो ऑल आर माइनस 5x माइनस 4y एंड नाउ वी डोंट वांट दिस माइनस 10, सो अगेन वी टुक दैट वन टू द डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, z इक्वल टू, नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द लेटेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ x and y here. So we have the latest value of x and y here. So substitute that, give this one as a 3 star. So put z equal to put x equal to, what is the latest value of x? That is 17.5 and y equal to 85 by 8. Okay. Now we are substituting latest value of x and latest value of y in 3 star. From where we got this 3 star equation? From the equation number 3. So now z equal to 65 minus 5x. What is the value of x? Latest value 17.5 minus 4 into 85 by 8 divided by minus 10. यहाँ पे आपको कैलकुलेटर यूज़ करना है, कैल्सी यूज़ करना है. देन यू विल फाइंड दैट z इक्वल टू, मैंने यहाँ पे कैल्सी यूज़ किया और आई गॉट द वैल्यू एज अ 6.5. ओके, दिस इज द लेटेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ z. Okay, this one is the latest value of x, this one is the latest value of y, and this one is the latest value of z. This is our first iteration. This is our first iteration. Okay, so we got the values of x, y, z first time, so that is our first iteration. Now in the second iteration, what we have to do? Again we have to use the equation number 1, 2 and 3, right? So जो हमने previous equations को नंबरिंग किया था, equation number 1, 2, वहाँ पे हमको सभी latest value रखनी है. So in the previous iteration, in पहले iteration में हमने क्या किया? x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए z एंड y इक्वल टू 0 रखा. तो अभी हमारे पास z की वैल्यू है, लेटेस्ट वैल्यू, और y की भी वैल्यू है. सो व्हाट इज द लेटेस्ट वैल्यू? हम अभी जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया था वो है y इक्वल टू 85 बाय 8. ओके, एंड z इक्वल टू 6.5. दिस इज आवर लेटेस्ट वैल्यू, है ना, लेटेस्ट वैल्यू. ओके, हमको ये लेटेस्ट वैल्यू रखनी है इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में, सो दैट वी कैन गेट द अगेन लेटेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज दैट इफ यू डू द कैलकुलेशन, so equation 1, what is equation number 1? 1 star, so that is 105 minus y minus z by 6. This is our equation number 1 star, right? So if you substitute here 105 minus 85 by 8 minus 6.5 divided by 6. So if we do use the calculation calci and we do the calculation, then we got the answer as a 14.64. This is the, now this one is the latest value, है ना, right? Okay, this is our latest value of x. In the similar way, equation 2 star, what is that equation 2 star? What is the equation 2 star? Y equal to 155 minus 4x minus 3z upon 8. This is our equation 2 star, right? So we have to substitute the value, latest value of x. What is the latest value of x? Put this one we calculated just now is the latest one than the previous one. So x equal to 14.64 and z की लेटेस्ट वैल्यू जो प्रीवियस है वो, अभी तक हमको z की लेटेस्ट नहीं मिली, सो वी यूज द प्रीवियस वन 6.5. देन वी गॉट y एज अ 155 minus 4 into 14.64 minus 3 into 6.5 divided by 8. If we use the calci and do the calculation, so we got the answer as a 9.62. Now this is our latest value of y. Okay, this is the latest value of y. This is latest. No need to write in the exam like a latest. So we, for understanding, we are writing here. Okay, latest value of y. Okay, then now we want the value of z. So we have to use that equation 3 star here. So z equal to 65 minus 5x minus 4y upon minus 10. So put latest value of x. What is the latest value of x? We calculated here 14.64, and latest value of y is 9.62 in this equation. In this equation, okay, means here in this equation. So z equal to 65 minus 5 into 14.64 minus 4 into 9.62 divided by minus 10. If we do the calculation by using calculator or calci, so we will get the answer as a z equal to 4.67. Okay, this is our second iteration. Now in the third iteration, okay, now we are finding the third iteration. So what is the third iteration? Again we have to use that latest values, and we have to put y equal to, what is the latest value of y? 9.62, and latest value of z is 4.67 in 1 star. Also we will get that 1 star implies x equal to 15.11. This is the latest value of x now in the third iteration. Now for getting the value of y, so we have to use this latest value, put x equal to 15.11 and z equal to this one 4.67 in 2 star equation. Okay, so we get here, after calculation we got the answer as a y equal to 10.06. Okay, अभी हमारे पास लेटेस्ट वैल्यू, व्हाट इज द लेटेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ x 15.11 and y equal to 10.06. just now we calculated. So again we have to put in the third 3 star equation for getting the latest value of z. After doing the calculation, I got the answer as a 5.08. Okay, this is our third iteration. We have to carry जब तक हमें कांस्टेंट वैल्यू नहीं मिलती है तब तक हम लोगों को ये इटरेशंस कैरी करना होता है. सो फोर्थ इटरेशन. नाउ अगेन वी हैव टू पुट द x इक्वल टू 15. So again in fourth iteration we have to put the latest value of y. What is the latest value? 10.06 and z equal to 5.08 in one star equation, previous equation. So जिसमें हमको x की वैल्यू मिलेगी. So x equal to, after doing calculation I got the answer as a x equal to 14.98. Now now we want the value of y. From where we can get the value of y? From the two star equation. So put these values in two star equation. So what we are putting? X equal to 14.98 है ना, हमको y मिलाना है, and z equal to 5.08. Okay, so equation 2 star gives you, आफ्टर सब्स्टिट्यूशन आई गॉट द आंसर एज अ, आप लोगों को एक कैलकुलेशन खुद करना पड़ेगा. कहाँ पे रखना है? टू स्टार इक्वेशन में. यूज द कैल्सी, यू विल गेट द लेटेस्ट वैल्यू एज अ दिस वन. ओके, दिस इज द लेटेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, this one in fourth iteration. This is the latest value of x, this is latest value of y. Now by using this latest value of x and y, we want the value of z. So from where we can get it? 3 star. So what we have to put here? Put latest value of y is 9.98 and latest value of x equal to 14.98. So after substitution, so we got the latest value as a, what is the equation that is the 65 minus 5 into x. X means 14.98 minus 4 into y. Y is 9.98. इस तरीके से हमको रखना है वहाँ पे. Then divided by -10. So if we do the calculation by using calci, so we got the answer as a 4.98. What is our last answer? 4.98. This is the value of x in fourth iteration. X equal to 14.98. Second one is a 9.98 and z equal to this one. So this is not the proper answer. अगर एग्जाम में आपके पास टाइम नहीं है तो you can stop here. Okay. But if you have the time, then you have to take anyhow फिफ्थ इटरेशन. ओके, सो यहाँ पे देखो हमको z जो मिला था इसके प्रीवियस इटरेशन में, दैट इज द 5.08. हियर 4.8. अगेन देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. वी गॉट द वी वांट द कांस्टेंट वैल्यू, सो वी यूज द फिफ्थ इटरेशन. व्हाट इज द फिफ्थ इटरेशन? नाउ 1 स्टार में क्या रखना है? पुट x इक्वल टू, सॉरी y इक्वल टू, x की वैल्यू मिलानी है तो y इक्वल टू 9.98 एंड z इक्वल टू 4.98. सो 1 स्टार गिव्स यू x इक्वल टू 105 माइनस y, राइट. माइनस y मीन्स 9.98 माइनस z 4.98 divided by 6. Okay, so after using calci, we do the calculation and we got the answer as a 15.0067. Okay, then this is the latest value of x. Now we want the value of y. From where we can get the value of y? From the second star equation. What the second star? वहाँ पे क्या रखना है? Put x equal to 15.0067 and z equal to 4.98 in 2 star equation. So what it gives you? Y equal to 155 minus, what is the letter, minus x, okay, minus 4 into x, 4 into x, x is 15.0067, okay, minus z, z is 4.98 divided by 8, okay. Use the calci, you will get the answer as a y equal to 10.00, okay. Then now we want the value, this is the latest value of x in fifth iteration, this is the latest value of y in fifth iteration. Now we want the latest value of z in the fifth iteration. What is the where we have to put latest value, x equal to 15.0067 and y equal to 10.00 in 3-star equation. What it gives you, this equation implies you z equal to 65 minus 5 into x. X means 15.0067 minus 4 into 10.00, 4y, right? So divided by minus 10. If we use the calci and if we do the calculation, so we got the answer as a 5.0049. Now listen, here we have to stop. Why we are stopping here? Because look at the fourth iteration values, x equal to 14.9 and here is a 15.00, very less difference is there. That means this is the proper value of x. So here value of y is 9.98, here value of y is 10 exact 10. Then here z equal to, so क्या किया हमने, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 दिया, 2 दिया, 3 दिया. देन वी रोट x का इक्वेशन नंबर 1 का यूज होता है x फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, y फाइंड आउट करने के लिए इक्वेशन नंबर 2, z फाइंड आउट करने के लिए इक्वेशन नंबर 3. सो हियर 1-star इक्वेशन मीन्स 6 equal to 105 minus y minus z x equal to by 6. This is your 1-star equation, okay. देन हमने इसमें लेटेस्ट वैल्यू, पहले तो हमको प्रीवियस इसमें हम वी हैव टू पुट द वैल्यूज z इक्वल टू 0, y इक्वल टू 0 सो दैट वी कैन गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x एज दिस वन. देन हमारे पास अभी लेटेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ x है, वो हमको इसमें रखना है 2-star इक्वेशन में. सो वी गॉट दिस वन y इक्वल टू 85/5. देन हमारे पास अभी y और x की लेटेस्ट वैल्यू है, हमको z में थर्ड इक्वेशन में रखना है. सो वी गॉट दिस वन एज अ latest value of x, y and z in first iteration. Now we are using these latest values in the second iteration. In the second iteration हमको ये मिलाना है. Then again we got the latest value as this one and z equal to this one. Then third iteration, look at the difference, too much difference is there, that means we have to carry the again fourth iteration, okay. So fourth iteration we got the value as a, again we have to use the latest values of y and z. We got the answer as a x equal to this one, y equal to this one and z equal to. Now this is not the proper answer, so again we have to carry forward for the fifth iteration. So in the fifth iteration we have to put the again latest value of y and z. We got the answer as a 15.007. Now look at these answers, 14.98 and 15.0, it is near, very close, less difference is there. So that's why we are going to stop here in the fifth iteration. And y equal to this one, 15.006 means 15 and y equal to 10 means 10, and this is the last final answer of the equation. If you do the proper practice and use the calci, you will get the marks on this Gauss-Seidel method. Okay, thank you for watching.